Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a giant flower pet bed. So first, you want to get the round pet bed. It looks like this. Now, I'm going to type in bowl and get the big bowl. And then you place it around the place. Like that. Then the pet bed, make it yellow. Now type in crib and get the egg crib. Use the color from the egg crib. You can color all of it. Like this. Okay. Now, pin bowl again. If you want to, add one more over here, but I'm going to use that space. Type in chop. And then use this green, like that. And it doesn't cost a lot, so that makes it really cute. And then you can see it's like in flower. It looks really nice, especially when you do on the wall. So you can try it out on the wall, my technique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.